In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opening balance in Xero. Opening balances are the starting figures you bring into Xero on your conversion date. Things like bank accounts, accounts receivable and payable, and equity. If you spot a discrepancy between Xero and your source records, adjusting the opening balance is the right fix. Before you begin, make sure you have the appropriate user permissions to access accounting settings and have the correct numbers ready from your prior system, a trial balance, or your accountant. It's also a good idea to note your conversion date and check whether any lock dates are set, as those can prevent edits. Let's walk through the update. First, sign into Xero and head to the main menu. Open the accounting menu. From there, go to accounting settings. This is where your organization-wide accounting configuration lives, including your conversion details. In accounting settings, select conversion balances. You'll see the balances that Xero is using as of your conversion date, grouped by account. Find the account you need to correct. That might be a bank account that isn't reconciling to your statement opening figure, a customer or supplier balance that was off, or an equity line like retained earnings. Click into the value field for the account you want to adjust and enter the correct amount. Use positive and negative numbers according to how the account normally behaves. For example, assets typically have debit balances and liabilities have credit balances. If the number looks unusual, pause and cross-check it with your source document. Remember, you're editing the starting figure as of the conversion date, not today's live balance, so don't include transactions that occurred after that date. When you're confident the figure is right, click Save. Xero will update the opening balance and automatically post the corresponding entries to keep your books in balance. If a lock date blocks the change, adjust the lock date temporarily or consult with the person who set it. After saving, quickly sanity check your work. Compare the affected account's balance as at the conversion date to your external statement or trial balance. If you adjusted a bank account, ensure the first reconciliation statement lines now match. If you changed receivables or payables, confirm the totals align with your aged reports from the old system. That's it. By navigating to accounting, then accounting settings, opening conversion balances, updating the value, and saving, you can correct your opening figures and keep your reports accurate. Thanks for watching. And take a moment to verify your key balances so everything in Xero ties out cleanly.